Tin Tool Guy here. I just want to do an update on the house. I know it's been a long time since I've been updating because I've been super busy. COVID, I had shoulder surgery. It's just been crazy, but we finally are getting this place rented. Got somebody moving in today, just temporarily for a couple of months. Front door, we got a brand new storm door. We have, what's it called? Google Nest. Hello. Nest Hello, yeah. There we go. One thing's cool about the storm door, pull latch, and you have a screen door. Living room. Not much has changed in here since my last update, except we have furniture. And one thing I did do is I ran Ethernet to the TV. So I have Ethernet coming up through the basement. And did my own cables, because that's the way to do it. What else is new? Well, furniture looks really nice. We got all of it from IKEA. Had a huge delivery, and I spent days and days putting furniture together. The bathroom's looking nice. Light on. Kitchen has been done for a while. Not much new in here. I'm gonna work on this back room next. So I'm gonna put new flooring down here, paint the walls, ceilings. This is also new, the screen window. The original one was broken. The screen was broken, had water damage. The slat pieces were falling off. So I did a whole new one. Did pocket hole screws to hold the frame together. Something is solid, made out of poplar. Hardwood for the win. Anyway, this room will look much nicer once I paint it. Basement. Been cleaned up a little bit. I do have the washer and dryer installed, built a platform for them. And what else? Oh yeah, I redid the vent system using smooth piping with sealing tape all the way out, including a new vent thingy that pops open when the dryer runs. So this is smooth all the way to the dryer so that it will not back up from dryer lint and start a fire. Because we don't like fires in the house. Don't want to waste all this effort. First bedroom. It's going to be our twin bedrooms. Twin beds. IKEA tables, IKEA dresser. Full blackout curtains, 100% blackout. I had to buy those on Amazon because the ones at Home Depot and Lowe's were only partially blackout. They say blackout, but when you look on the back, it's like 93 to 98% light blocking. Well, it didn't block hardly anything. Still let a bunch of light through. Middle bedroom. The people who are moving in are gonna put a bed on the floor, I believe. They're gonna bring their own mattress. So I haven't built the queen bed yet. I'll hold off on that until the renters are done. The king bedroom, put a new ceiling fan. The old one was clicking. So I bought a new one, and then I took it apart and realized all it was just one of the wires touching the revolving mechanism. The electrician, when he put it up, he didn't do it 100% correctly. but we like this one better anyway, so we chunked the old one. It was nasty looking. Also have light blocking curtains in here. IKEA chest of drawers. Oh yeah, we have new doors. I have this door, that bedroom door, well, basically all 3 bedroom doors. I bought 2 panel doors, shaker style, and I'm gonna either build my own molding or find a molding to make it look like the original doors. This door was 28 inches. The rest of them are 30, so they didn't have this one for the bathroom in stock. So I'm gonna look for a used one and yeah, get rid of these cheapo hollow doors. Cabinet turned out nice. Shower needs to be cleaned, but it's not bad. I love this. This is one of my favorite things. I built this custom cabinet. Don't know if I've showed the channel before. Oh yeah, I need to build shelves. Anyway, got a magnet closure. It looks like this could have been original to the house. Anyway, I have one for the AirBNB. I have one router sitting in this closet. This will be the owner's closet. So we'll keep stuff we don't want the tenants, the guests in here. And so there's a lock on this door with the key. This doesn't want to go in. Anyway, that's about it. These are the shelves. I don't know if I've showed these. I built these shelves myself. It's walnut plywood, and then I put a walnut veneer on and sealed it up nicely. It's holding lots of weight. Anyway, I had to install, in order to get that doorbell camera thing in, I had to install a traditional doorbell system. So that meant running low voltage wire and drilling holes in walls and fishing wires through walls in the basement, the crawl space. It was not fun, but it is done. Anyway, that is the house. It is looking nice. Ready for someone to live here. And I'll see you guys later, next time.